For which collection of his poems was Nishimajikal awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award? Latter-day Songs. Savitri, Lakshman, Dhruva, Prahlad are poems written by Torudutt. The first novel of Ruskin Bond was The Room on the Roof. Arun Kolaskar Jejuri, a collection of 31 poems, won the Commonwealth Writers Prize in 1977. The television serial based on Manju Kapoor's novel Immigrant Pradesh Mein Mera Dev. In which of the following novel of Mulkraj Anand Baka appears as a protagonist? Untouchable. Torudutt's poem The Lotus is in the form of a Petrarca sonnet. Which poet discusses the rites and rituals of Odisha in his poems Jayant Mahapatra? Mini, Bimla, Binodini, Kadambini are important and memorable characters created by Rabindranath Tagore. Veeramati, Shakuntala and Swarna choose not to conform to societal standards. Name the novel as a writer. Difficult Daughters, Manju Kapoor. R.K. Narayan's mentor and friend was Graham Greene. Like a huge python winding round and round, the rugged trunk indented deep with scars up to its very summit. Near the stars, a creeper climbs in orchestral tree. Which of the following is not true about Manju Kapoor? Manju Kapoor novel A Married Woman was called brilliant and witty in the Independent. True. Manju Kapoor touches bases social themes like marriage, girl education, dowry, religion, etc. True. Manju Kapoor won Commonwealth Prize for first novel for Difficult Daughters. True. His works focus on the flora and fauna in the around of the Himalayas. He loves nature and spends time in idyllic surroundings. Ruskin Bond. Which taboo topic does Shashi Deshpande highlight in her short stories The Intrusion? Marital rape. What among these is a non-fiction work by Arundhati Roy? The God of Sports. But non-fiction is a non-fiction work by Arundhati Roy. An Ordinary Person Guide to Empire. The non-fiction. In That Long Silence by Shashi Deshpande, the protagonist Jaya wants to become a writer. The novel talks about the plight of the indentured laborers, the Gimityaj, to use Gyanendra Pandey's terminology. Ardent in the novel The List Given Below. Sea of Poppy. Ekta and Rahil are characters in which of the following novel of Arundhati Roy? God of Small Things. She wrote poems and she was a freedom fighter. Sarojini Naidu. Her famous work include The Septuagint, Flute and The Feather of the Down. Nishimajikal mostly wrote Indian contemporary scene, modern urban life, spiritual values. Who among the following Indian poets became the first ever writer in English language to win Sahitya Akademi Award and in which year? Poet Puchat Poet Jayant Mahapatra 1981. Name the author of the short story titled Padmavati I wrote and the stories. Kamala Das. Which religion did Kamala Das embrace in 1999? Islam. What did she rename herself? Kamala Suraiya. To which genre do Ruskin Bond's works Roads to Missouri and Lander Days belong? Memoirs. The Grandmother's Tale is written by R.K. Narayan. He is acclaimed for his depiction of social behavior towards people belonging to the poor and unprivileged class and caste of India is none other than Mulkraj Anand, which of Anta Desai's novels was adapted into in the film, and what award was given to the film in custody. President of Indian Gold Medal for Best Picture. Who in the God of Small Things discovered that the secret of the great story is that they have no secrets. Kathakali dancer. Which among the following is not true about Jangalnama written by Amitabh Ghosh? Jangalnama is a graphic verse novel, सही है. Jangalnama is an adaptation of medieval Bengali tale about the Sundarban's foreign goddess born baby, सही है. Sundarban ये Jangalnama story of Jangalnama explores the themes of greed and ecological misadventure, सही है. लेकिन अमिताभ घोष वॉज अवॉर्डेड द कॉमनवेल्थ नहीं, जंगलनामा के लिए कुछ भी नहीं मिला. ये नया नहीं आया है नॉवल. द बोटराइड वॉज रिटन बाई बोटराइड अरुण कुलात्कर, मेरा बस अरुण कुलात्कर. द ओनली नॉवल रिटन बाई कमला दास, कमला दास का एक ही है नॉवल है अल्फाबेट ऑफ लस्ट. अरुण कुलात्कर सर्पसूत्र और सन्नेक सेक्रीफाइस इज अ रिटेलिंग ऑफ द एपिक महाभारत की जन्मेजय के बारे में. राजू गाइड में कृष्णा इंग्लिश टीचर, जगन वेंडर ऑफ सीड्स और मार्गिया जय फाइनेंशियल एक्सपर्ट आर्किनाइन की सारी. अल्लू इज ए करेक्टर हु फिगर्स इन अमिताभ घोष नॉवल अल्लू. अल्लू सर्कल ऑफ रीजन में आता है. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नॉट ए बुक रिटन बाई मुल्कराज आनंद. मुल्कराज आनंद की कौन सी बुक नहीं? टू लिव्स एंड बर्ड मुल्कराज आनंद. अक्रॉस ब्लैक वाटर मुल्कराज आनंद. ए पेयर ऑफ मुस्टेच मुल्कराज आनंद. नेक्टेंस लेवल नहीं है मुल्कराज आनंद की, मारखंडे की है. जजुरी है अरुण कुलात्कर की है. बस ये कुछ है. Beneath it we have played though years may roll, O sweet companions, loved with love intense. For your sakes, shall the tree be ever dear. The lines have taken from the poem Our Kestrana Tree. The dark holds no terrors. शशि देशपांडे नॉवल है, शशि देशपांडे का. फिक्सियस लोकेट मालगुड़ी पूछे क्या? फिक्सियस लोकल क्रिएटेड बाई आर्कनाइन मालगुड़ी की ओर से. वो अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट इंडियन डायस्पोरा. डायस्पोरा में कौन सा नहीं है? सुजाता भट्ट है, मीना अलेक्जेंडर जिम्पलेरी भी है. शशि देशपांडे डायस्पोरा में आता है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डज नॉट मैच करेक्टली. मुल्कराज आनंद हॉर्स एंड टू गोड्स नहीं है. राजा राव की द काउ एंड द टू वर्कर्स सही है. आर्किनाइन की गॉड्स लेमन्स अदर सही है बिल्कुल. के खुशवंत सिंह की द मार्क ऑफ बीच में सही है बिल्कुल. क्राई द पिकॉक एंड वॉइसेज ऑफ द सिटी अंडर देसाई की है. द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ अटमॉस्ट हैप्पीनेस इज नॉवल रिटन बाय अर्ध तिरोई. The final installment of the Ibris trilogy, Ibris अमिताभ घोष called क्या कहलाती फाइनल, जो फाइनल थी फ्लड ऑफ फायर. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free. गीतांजलि की है ये सारी. हाँ गीतांजलि की सही है. Where the world has not been broken into fragments by narrow domestic walls. The above lines are from गीतांजलि. In the guide R.K. Narayan we come across a dancer. Dancer थी. What is her name? Roji. Who was the first recipient of the Sahitya Akademi Award for English Literature? इनमें से तो R.K. नारायण ही है 1960 में. रविंद्रनाथ was awarded the Nobel Prize for. रविंद्रनाथ को नोबेल प्राइज गीतांजलि के मिला था. Who are known as the trio of Indian English novelists? मुल्कराज आनंद, R.K. नारायण और राजा राव. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर मोस्ट फेमस पोइम कौन सी है? गीतांजलि. और कौन सी? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नॉट ट्रू अबाउट रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर के बारे में सही कौन सा नहीं है? जन्म हुआ था 1861 में, सही मई सही है. और कलकत्ता में हुआ था इंडिया में, और डाइड वे 7 अगस्त 1941 को कलकत्ता में मर गए, सही है. उनकी चाइल्ड द चाइल्ड इज शॉल ओरिजिनल क्रिएशन इन इंग्लिश सही है, चाइल्ड उनकी शॉल अकेले की लिखी हुई है उनकी। द पोएम वॉज फर्स्ट रिटन इन इंग्लिश एंड ट्रांसलेटेड इन इंग्लिश सही है। टी.एस. एलियट कॉल्ड हिम ए प्योर नहीं, टी.एस. एलियट नहीं कहता था, W.E.S. ने कहता है प्योर पोएट रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर है वो फर्स्ट नॉन यूरोपियन और फर्स्ट लिरिकिस्ट है जिनको नोबेल प्राइज मिला था। विच ऑफ फॉलोइंग वॉल्यूम ऑफ पोएट्री बिलोंग्स टू रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर? रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर की कौन सी इनमें से? गीतांजलि है, हाँ, लेकिन मानसी भी तो है, मानसी द आइडल मन ये भी है। सोनारतरी, हाँ ये भी रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर की है, गोल्डन बोट रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर की है। गीतिमाल्या, हाँ रेत ऑफ सॉन्ग्स रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर की है। और बालका, हाँ बालका द फ्लाइट ऑफ किडेंस ये भी रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर की सारी है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ट्रू अबाउट गीतांजलि? गीतांजलि उनके ऐसे नहीं है। नवंबर 1983 है, टैगोर को अवॉर्डेड नोबेल प्राइज फॉर गीतांजलि सही है। सॉन्ग ऑफ ओपनिंग्स, द सेंट्रल थीम इज डिवोशन, इट्स मोटो इज आई एम हियर टू सिंग द सॉन्ग सही है बिल्कुल। द ओरिजिनल बंगाली कलेक्शन एक्सेप्ट 1957 पोएम वॉज पब्लिश्ड इन अगस्त 14, 1980 सही है बिल्कुल। द इंग्लिश वर्जन ऑफ गीतांजलि सॉन्ग ऑफ लिरिक्स सही है। सिंगिंग एंजल इन कलेक्शन ऑफ एक 7.3 है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट नॉवल ऑफ बाई रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर? नॉवल नहीं है, हवन द वर्ड रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर का है। द रेक, गोरा, डिफिकल्ट डॉक्टर मंजी कपूर का है। द रेक भी है, गोरा भी है रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर का। काबुली वाला रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर का है। एंड पोस्ट मास्टर रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर का, वेल नॉन रिटन बाय रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर। क्या है ये काबुली वाला? ये स्टोरी है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए प्ले बाय रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर? प्ले कौन सा रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर का? चित्रा भी प्ले है, चित्रा प्ले है। साइकिल ऑफ स्प्रिंग रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर का लिखा हुआ है, प्ले है। सन्यासी रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर का प्ले है। द कलेक्शन ऑफ टैगोर एसेज एंड स्पीच इज पब्लिश्ड अंडर द टाइटल, कौन सा टाइटल के अंदर लिखे जाते थे? द वॉइस ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी। ऑल मेन आर ब्रदर्स इज ओरिजिनल टाइटल ऑफ मुल्क आनंद नॉवल, कौन से नॉवल है इसका टाइटल है? द थर्ड एंड द सिकल का टाइटल है ऑल मेन आर ब्रदर्स। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग दो ट्रू अबाउट मुल्क आनंद? मुल्क आनंद 12 दिसंबर 1905 को जन्म हुआ, पैसा बिल्कुल सही। और सितंबर 28, 2004 को मृत्यु, पुणे में सही है। मुल्क आनंद जाने जाते थे रियलिस्टिक एंड सिंपैथिक पोर्ट्रेयल ऑफ द पुअर इन इंडिया सही है। नोबेल प्राइज मिला ही नहीं था, केवल रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर को मिला था नोबेल प्राइज। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ट्रू अबाउट आनंद? मुल्क आनंद नोवेल अनटचेबल नोवेल बाय मुल्क आनंद पब्लिश्ड 1932 सही है। इट डेपिक्ट वन डे, हाँ से एक वन डे की लाइफ बताती है आका की। अ यंग स्वीपर सही है। वो इज अनटचेबल सही है। ड्यू टू इज वर्क ऑफ काट लिया ये सही है। अब 143 दूसरा पार्ट आ गया। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए कलेक्शन ऑफ शॉर्ट स्टोरी बाय मुल्क आनंद? द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड एंड अदर स्टोरीज मुल्क आनंद सही है। बारबर स्टेट एंड यूनियन एंड अदर स्टोरी सही है मुल्क आनंद। द ट्रैक्टर एंड कॉर्न गॉडेज मुल्क आनंद बिल्कुल सही। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नॉट ट्रू अबाउट आर के नारायण? फुल नेम आर के नारायण रसीपुरम कृष्ण स्वामी नारायण स्वामी अय्यर सही है। अय्यर नारायण स्वामी। जन्म हुआ था 10 अक्टूबर 1906, डाइड 2001 सही है। आर के नारायण जाने जाते थे फॉर इट सेट इन फिक्शनल साउथ इंडियन टाउन ऑफ महाबलेश्वर, नहीं मालगुड़ी गलत है। महाराज मुल्क ये आर के नारायण इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस नॉवेल्स। द गाइड वॉन द साहित्य अकादमी अवार्ड एंड फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड, साहित्य अकादमी अवार्ड इन 1960। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नॉट ट्रू अबाउट आर के नारायण? गाइड इज ए नॉवल बाय आर के नारायण पब्लिश्ड इन 1958, साहित्य अकादमी 1960 सही है। द फिल्म गाइड वॉज रिलीज 1995 नहीं गलत है। विजय आनंद सही है। The novel describes the transformation of protagonist Raju from a guide to a spiritual guide and then one of the greatest holy men of India. बिल्कुल सही। In Narayan's novel, fictional town of Malgudi was first introduced in Swami and Friends 1935. Which of the following is true? The Bachelor of Arts is a novel written by R. K. Narayan, published 30 सही है 1930. Second book of trilogy that begins with Swami and friends ends with the English teacher. सही है. The story follows the coming of Chandran, a young upper middle class college graduate into adulthood. सही है. Which of the following considered the autobiography of Arkanine? My Dateless Diary दोनों ऑटोबायोग्राफी आर्कनाइन की. मालगुडी डेज है हॉर्स. आर्कनाइन का ये मालगुडी डेज है, तो क्या देखना है इसमें. हॉर्स एंड टू वर्ड्स आर फेमस कलेक्शन ऑफ आर्कनाइन. नेक्स्ट संडे बाय आर्कनाइन इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ शॉर्ट essay. नेक्स्ट संडे. द डार्क रूम आर्कनाइन का ये इंग्लिश से टीचर संपत फाइनेंशियल एक्सपर्ट वेटिंग फॉर द महात्मा आर फेमस नॉवल बाय आर्कनाइन. द फीदर ऑफ द डाउन इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ पोएम्स बाय फीदर ऑफ द डाउन सरोजिनी नायडू. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ट्रू अबाउट सरोजिनी नायडू. सरोजिनी नायडू जन्म हुआ था हैदराबाद में 13 फरवरी 1879. सही बिल्कुल. माहिर मुनीर सही है. हर फर्स्ट प्ले रिटन एट द एज ऑफ 12 बेसिकली सही है. हर फर्स्ट बुक ऑफ पोएम्स वॉज पब्लिश इन लंदन फ्रांस बिल्कुल सही है. टाइटल द ग्रेट थ्रेस. हाँ सही है. शी डाइड ए कार्डियक अरेस्ट ऑन 1949. Which of the following is true about Sorojiनी Naidu's golden threshold? Golden threshold pure golden threshold. Our Krishna tree जो है त्रियोदश का is included in the volume golden threshold. Which of the following is true about Sorojiनी Naidu's second volume, The Bird of Time? 1912 में हुआ था इंट्रोड्यूस बाय एडमंड घोष के द्वारा. बर्ड ऑफ टाइम सरोजिनी नायडू के सेकंड कलेक्शन. इसमें जो 1912 में बर्ड ऑफ टाइम आया था उसमें 46 पॉइंट थी, 4 सेक्शन बटी हुई थी. द डायर्स, द सागर एंड इंडियन लव सॉन्ग, एन एंथम ऑफ लव, सॉन्ग ऑफ राधा, द मिल्कमेड आर सम ऑफ वेल नोन poems by of this volume, Bird of Time. How many poems does The Broken Wing, a second volume of poems by Bernardo contain? Second volume except second volume except. Which of the following is not true about Toru Dutt? Toru Dutt was born on 4th March और सही है 30 अगस्त को. Toru Dutt known for her volume of poetry in English, A Ship Leaned in French, सही है. And Ancient Blades and Legend of Inta सही है. Her poems explore themes of loneliness, longing, patriotism and nostalgia बिल्कुल सही है. Toru Dutt died at the age of 21, not 20, 31. A Ship Leaned in French Fields is translation of expressed poems. Toru Dutt's volume Ancient Ballads and Legend of Hindustan, published with an introduction of posthumously Edmund Gosse. A Sea of Foliage, The Lotus, Sita and Our Keystone Tree are famous poems by A Sea of Foliage by Toru Dutt. Which of the following is true about Nisha Magical? Nisha Magical was born 16 दिसंबर 1924. सही है. बम्बई में जन्म हुआ, महाराष्ट्र में. After a prolonged battle with Alzheimer's disease, Nisha Magical died in Mumbai on 9 January 2004. सही है. Nisha Magical is generally considered as the father of post-independence Indian English was the barometer of modern Indian's literary atmosphere. बिल्कुल सही. Nisha Magical was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1983 for his collection The Latter Day Psalms. किसके लिए Latter Day Psalms के लिए. Goodbye Party for Miss Puspa, T.S. Knight of Scorpion, Enterprise are famous poem by Nisha Magical. Ruskin Bond was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for Our trees still grow in Dehra. The night train at Deoli, time stops at Shamli and our trees still grow in there are well known. Ruskin Bond works. द ब्लू अम्ब्रेला रस्किन बॉन्ड का ही वर्क है, इसमें फिल्म भी बनी है सेम कैरेक्टर से, सेम नाम से। चिल्ड्रन ऑमनीबस इज ए कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टोरीज बाय रस्किन बॉन्ड। चिल्ड्रन ऑमनीबस रस्किन बॉन्ड। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नॉट ट्रू अबाउट जेजुरी। जेजुरी एक क्या है? जेजुरी कलात्कारी का फर्स्ट फाइनेस्ट कलेक्शन ऑफ पोइम्स है विच वन कॉमनवेल्थ प्राइज पोएट्री प्राइज 1970 सही है। जेजुरी कलेक्शन में 31 पोइम का सही है। जेजुरी एक प्लेस है महाराष्ट्र में, बिल्कुल सही है। फेमस फॉर इट्स टेम्पल सही है। खंडोबा कलात्कार वॉन द साहित्य अकादमी फॉर गलत, कॉमनवेल्थ प्राइज जीता था केवल। इट वॉज फर्स्ट पब्लिश इन ओपिनियन लिटरेरी क्वार्टरली in 1974 and issued in book form of 1976. Chaitanya, the old man, Heart of Ruin, The Butterfly, The Railway Station, Three Cups of Tea are among the well-known poems of Chaitanya. The old man, Heart of Ruin, The Butterfly, The Railway Station, Three Cups of Tea are famous poems of Nissim Ezekiel. Ruskin Bond was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. The Night Train at Deoli Time stops at Shamli. Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, well known works by Ruskin Bond. The Blue Umbrella is a short story by Ruskin Bond. Vibhuti is a character of Muktadhara. A Time to Change was written by Nissim Ezekiel. Which of the following is not a collection of poems by Saji Naidu? Word of Time, Rostan Naidu, Work Knowing Saji Naidu, Feather Down Sajini Naidu. The exact name belongs to Nissim Ezekiel. The Crescent Moon is a correction by Rabindranath Tagore. Saji Naidu's first volume of poems, The Golden Threshold, was dedicated to Sir Edmund Ghosh. Which of the following is not in the poem by Rabindranath Tagore? Kissing Rabindranath Tagore, Garden Rabindranath Tagore, Fruit Gathering Rabindranath Tagore, चित्रा Rabindranath Tagore के, लेकिन पानी प्ले है, चित्रा एक प्ले Rabindranath Tagore। Songs of Life and Death is a collection of poetry written by Sarojini Naidu. Amitabh Ghosh won Sahitya Akademi Award for The Shadow Lines. Jnanabatra wins Sahitya Akademi Award for Relationship. Which of the following is the first novel of Manji Kapoor, Difficult Daughters? The Married Women, Home, The Immigrant and Brothers are famous novel by Manji Kapoor. My Story is the autobiography of Kamala Das Entekatha. An Introduction is a famous poem by Kamala Das. Ananta Desai won the Sahitya Akademi Award for Fire on the Mountain. Which of the following is the debut novel of Ananta Desai? Cry the Peacock, Kala Ghoda, Boat Ride, Other Poems are Beautiful collection of poetry by Arun Kalatkar. The Blue Umbrella is a short story by Ruskin Bond. Children Omnibus is a collection of stories by Ruskin Bond. Which of the not true about Jejuri? Jejuri first highest collection and Kalatkar का won Commonwealth Prize 1970. Jejuri collection है 31 poems का pertaining visit Jejuri, a place in Maharashtra famous for its temple Khandoba. Arun Kalatkar won नहीं गलत, साहित्य अकादमी में जीता था। Or it was published in Opinion Literary Quarterly in 1974 and issued in book form in 1970. Chaitanya, The Old Man, Heart of Ruin, The Butterfly, The Railway Station, Three Cups of Tea are among the well-known poems of Arun Kalatkar. Kala Ghoda, The Boat Ride and Other Poems are Chaitanya, The Old Man, Heart of Ruin, Butterfly, The Railway Station, Three Cups of Tea. ये अरुण कोलात्कर की, किसकी? अरुण कोलात्कर की है। काला घोड़ा, द बोट राइड, अदर पोएम्स आर द ब्यूटीफुल कलेक्शन ऑफ पोएट्री बाय कोलात्कर। Which of the following is the Dutch debut novel of Antardesai Cry the Peacock? Antardesai won the Sahitya Akademi Award for Why on the Mountain. The Dark Hole Not Terror शशि देशपांडे का इफ़ आई डाई टुडे डेट लॉन्ग साइलेंस के लिए साहित्य अकादमी अवार्ड भी मिला था शशि देशपांडे को। नॉवेल्स बाई शशि देशपांडे, डेट लॉन्ग साइलेंस 1988 में था। द टेस्टिंग ऑफ साइरन्स, द डांस ऑफ यूंचीज कमला दास का है। द लुकिंग ग्लास आर सम ऑफ द वेल नोन पोइम्स बाय कमला दास, वॉल्यूम समर इन कलकत्ता। माई ग्रैंड मदर्स हाउस, द Looking Glass, A Hot Noon in Malabar, Kamala Das, are personal and autobiographical poems of Kamala Das. And introduction is a famous poem by Kamala Das. My Story is the autobiography of Kamala Das. A Married Woman, Home, The Immigrant, and The Brother are famous novel by Manju Kapoor. Which of the following is the first novel of Manju Kapoor? Difficult Daughters won Commonwealth Writers' Prize for first novel. Temple, The Whiteness of Bones, Shadowed Space, Bareface, Random Descent, Land are some of the famous novels by James Mahapatra. Temple, The Whiteness of Bones, Shadowed Space, Bareface, Random Descent, Land are some of the famous poems by James Mahapatra. Arundhati Roy won the Man Booker Prize in 1997 and became the best-selling book by a non-expatriate Indian author. The God of Small Things. James Mahapatra wins Sahitya Akademi Award for Relationship. Amitav Ghosh won Sahitya Akademi for Shadow Lines. Songs of Life and Death is a collection of poetry written by Sarojini Naidu, in which of her volume Tordutt translates French poets as she gleaned in French fields. Tordutt's ancient legend and ballads of Hindustan deals with the glorious vision of her motherland. Tagore was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1913 for Gitanjali. Which of the following not a poem by Rabindranath Tagore? Kishan Rabindranath Tagore, Gardener Rabindranath Tagore, Gathering Rabindranath Tagore, Chitra Play Rabindranath Tagore का। I would loudly proclaim that status of Rabindranath Tagore as literary man was higher than that of all the 13 writers who had received the Nobel Prize from 1900 to 1912. Who says so? Nirad C. Chaudhary. Sarojini Naidu's first volume of poems, The Golden Threshold, was dedicated to Edmund Gosse. Bianca is an unfinished English novel. Bianca is an unfinished English novel by Toru Dutt. Bianca is an unfinished English novel by Toru Dutt. The Lotus is a sonnet by Toru Dutt. Orchestra Tree is a poem by Toru Dutt. Sannyasi is a play by Rabindranath Tagore. The Crescent Moon is a creation of Rabindranath Tagore. Which of the following not a collection by Sarojini Naidu? Bird of Time Sarojini Naidu, Broken Wings Sarojini Naidu, Feather of Down Sarojini Naidu, Buddha seated on the lotus Sarojini Naidu का नहीं है, ये poem है Sarojini Naidu की। poem है Sarojini Naidu included in her volume The Golden Threshold में है। ये किसमें है? गोल्डन थ्रेशोल्ड की एक पोइम है बुद्धा, और ये सारे पोइट्री कलेक्शन यानी पोइम के कलेक्शन है, पोइट्री है। द एग्जैक्ट नेम बिलोंग्स टू निशमेजिकल। माधवी कुटी द नेम ऑफ कमला दास। अर्बन एंड एंटरप्राइज आर पोइम्स बाय निशमेजिकल। A Time to Change was written by Nisyamagical. Counter Measures belong to Jayanth Mahapatra. Muktadara is a drama by Rabindranath Tagore. Vibhuti is a character of Muktadara by Rabindranath Tagore. Close the Sky 10 by 10 is a work by Jayanth Mahapatra. Close the Sky 10 by 10 work by Jayanth Mahapatra. Arundhati Roy's debut novel of The God of Small Things appeared in 1997. Won Booker Award. Ancient Ballad and Legend of Hindustan by Toru Dutt was published with an introduction of Edmund Gosse. Bye Bye Blackbird is a novel by Anita Desai. The Bird of Time by Sarojini Naidu, published in 1912 with an introduction by Edmund Gosse. The Shafted Flute, The Feather of the Down, volumes of poems belong to Sarojini Naidu. The Home and the World, Udaray Gora Sadhana belong to Rabindranath Tagore. The King of Chandar The post office, the cycle of spring, the course at Forwell are plays of Rabindranath Tagore. Which of the following is not included in Gandhian literature? Mulk Rajanana untouchable Gandhian literature. Mulk Rajanana sword and sickle Gandhian literature. Rajarao Kantapura ये Gandhian literature. अंतर्देशीय बाइबा ब्लैक बॉडी ये गांधी literature नहीं है. The neighbor's wife and other stories and my first love and other stories. The Neighbor's Wife and My First Love are a story collection written by Ruskin Bond. Some of Harkin novels were published with introduction by Graham Greene. Song of Radha, The Milkmaid, The Call of Spring, The Lotus, The Prayer of Islam are the poems of Sarojini Naidu. Song of Radha, The Milkmaid, The Call of Spring, The Lotus, The Prayer of Islam are the poems of by Sarojini Naidu. Song of Radha, The Milkmaid, The Call of Spring, The Lotus, The Prayer of Islam are the poems of Sarojini Naidu. The Room on the Roof, Ruskin Bond. The Last Tiger, Ruskin Bond. Which of the following is a collection of magical collection of A Time to Change magical, 60 poems magical, The Unfinished Man magical, Exact and magical, Hymns in Darkness magical, Latter Day Saints magical. What is the name of the city in Antardesh's Voices in the City, Kolkata? Which of the following is a picturesque novel by Anand Kuli? Kuli is a picturesque novel by Anand Rajanand. A Father's Hours and the Whiteness of Bones, Jayant Mahapatra are the collection of poems by Jayant Mahapatra. Who depicted Odisha landscape in his poetry vividly? Jayant Mahapatra. The autobiography of Rabindranath Tagore is Reminiscence. Summer in Kolkata. The Descendant, Old Playhouse, Kamaladas. Poems are collection by Kamaladas. Which of the following not by Tagore? Moment by Rabindranath Tagore. Vivek Rabindranath Tagore. Gora Rabindranath Tagore. Guide by R.K. Narayan. Portrait Jejuri Arun Kolatkar. Which of the following work Tagore is portrayal of the conflict between the love and politics, home and the world? The King of the Dark Chamber is a drama which belongs to Rabindranath Tagore. Life is a prism of my light and death are the shadows of my face. Sarojini Naidu. The Broken Wing by Sarojini Naidu appeared in 1917. The Flute Prayer of Vrindavan is a lyric by Sarojini Naidu. Sadhana is a collection of essays by Rabindranath Tagore. Nationalism, creative unity and the religion of man belong to Rabindranath Tagore. Which of the following is the autobiography of R.K. Narayan? My Dateless Diary, My Days on Autobiography. Some of her lyrical work likely, I think, to survive among the lasting things to English in English literature. These lines are said for Sarojini Naidu by Aurobindo. Which of the following doesn't belong to R.K. Narayan? My Days, R.K. Narayan. My Dateless Diary, R.K. Narayan. Next Day, R.K. Narayan. Pundalik H.N. Chattopadhyay की है. Nalini is a work by Isham Ezekiel. Waiting for the Mahatma is a work done by R.K. Narayan. The Sword and the Sickle belongs to Mulk Rajanand. Munno, an immortal creature, appeared in Kuli, Mulk Rajanand. Which of the works of Mulk Rajanand indicate the influence of D.H. Lawrence and Ian Foster, Woollies and Bird? Which of the following is an autobiographic novel by Anand Seven Summers? Morning Face, a famous autobiographic novel, belongs to Mulk Rajanand, won him Sahitya Akademi Award. Swami and Friends belongs to R.K. Narayan. The English Teacher was written by R.K. Narayan. Which of the novel R.K. Narayan deals with Gandhi's Satyagraha and his assassination in 1948? Waiting for the Mahatma. Voices of the City belongs to Anita Desai. Dark Room is a novel by R.K. Narayan. An Astrologer's Day is a short story collection of R.K. Narayan. The Bus, Allo Temple, Arun Kolatkar, Chaitanya are the poems of Arun Kolatkar. Malpuri Days by R.K. Narayan is a collection of short stories. Dodda and Other Stories belongs to R.K. Narayan. A Snake in the Garden belongs to R.K. Narayan. God, Demons and Others by R.K. Narayan is a collection of short stories. What is the main theme of Anand's novel? To expose evils of society, to sympathize with the underdog. Which of the following collection of short stories belong to R.K. Narayan? The Child and Other Stories, R.K. Narayan. The Barbers Trade Union, R.K. Narayan. Reflection on the Golden Maid, R.K. Narayan. The Power of Darkness, R.K. Narayan. The Lajvanti, R.K. Narayan. The Lajvanti, R.K. Narayan. Power of Darkness, R.K. Narayan. The Child and Other Stories, R.K. Narayan. The Barbers Trade Union, R.K. Narayan. Reflection on the Golden Maid, R.K. Narayan. Which of the following is not consisted in the Village Trilogy by आनंद? शिवानंद समाज मुल्कराज आनंद का है, लेकिन कंसिस्टेड द विलेज ट्रायोलॉजी में नहीं है. विलेज ट्रायोलॉजी में द विलेज, अक्रॉस द ब्लैक वाटर है और स्वॉर्ड एंड द सिकल है. लॉटरी इज ए शॉर्ट स्टोरी बाय मुल्कराज आनंद, which considered the pioneer of regional novel in Indian English literature, Narayan. Babu Balki Ram by Mulkraj Anand is a political short story. The Cobbler and the Machine belongs to Mulkraj Anand. Indian Summer, a missing person, the Warehouse in a Calcutta Street are famous are the poems by Jayant Mahapatra. Love and Death is a poem by Sarojini Naidu. Philosophy and Enterprise are the poems by Nishi Magical. My Grandmother South, poems by Kamala Das. The Invitation and The Looking Glass are the poems by Kamala Das. Night of Scorpion, Nishi Magical. The Old Playhouse is a poem Kamala Das. Which of the following is by Kamala Das? The Looking Glass by Kamala Das. A Note Known in Balavar, Kamala Das. Which of the following is not a novel by R.K. Narayan? Shaman by R.K. Narayan, Bachelor by R.K. Narayan, and English, the English teacher R.K. Narayan. Across the Black Water by Mulkraj Anand. Which of the following is novel by Anita Desai? Kai the Peacock, Anita Desai. By Blackbird, Anita Desai. V.S. Silvico, Anita Desai. Far on the Mountain, Anita Desai. Who among the following poets was influenced by Kabir and rendered some of his verses into English? Rabindranath Tagore. Which of the following is a novel by Kamala Das? Alphabet of Lust by Kamala Das. The Young Spanish Maiden is subtitle of Bayanka. Bayanka is an unfinished novel by Theodoret. Two renowned English critics were Sarojini Naidu's political mentors. Who were they? Edmund Gosse and Arthur Symons. Nishi Magical was the first Indian poet to express a modern Indian sensibility in modern idiom. Who said these words? Daruwala. Lila's friend belongs to R.K. Narayan. Lila's friend belongs to R.K. Narayan. Palanquin bearers belong to Sarojini Naidu. Lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the mind of her song. These lines are from Palanquin bearers. To a Buddha seated on lotus is a poem by Sarojini Naidu. With futile hands are seen to gain our unaccessible desire. Beginners submit to attain with faith that sings and fit that the Buddha seated on lotus are from. Snake Charmer is a creation of Sarojini Naidu, which is a collection of poems by Arun Kolatkar about the dark underside of Mumbai. Dark underside of Mumbai. Kala Ghoda Punch. Bobby Kachamma is a famous female character in The God of Small Things and the Roy. Custody is a novel by Manju Kapoor adapted from TV, which is a TV serial by Ekta Kapoor, Nagin. Custody, Nagin. Which when was novelist Manju Kapoor born 1948. Difficult Daughter is a novel by Manju Kapoor, who is the protagonist in Manju Kapoor's novel Difficult Daughters Viramati. Home is a novel by Manju Kapoor. When was Manju Kapoor's novel Home published? 2006. Who is the protagonist of Manju Kapoor's novel Home? Nisha. Home का protagonist Nisha. Who is the protagonist in Manju Kapoor's novel A Married Woman? Asta. Who edited Shaping the World? Women writers on themselves. Manju Kapoor. Custody is a novel by Manju Kapoor. Who is protagonist in Manju Kapoor's novel Custody? Custody में सगुन protagonist है. The Immigrant is a novel by Manju Kapoor. Who is the following was highly influenced by French Romanticism, French language and literature? Tourdat. What is the name of Tourdat's poem in which God of love urges Flora to provide him queenliest of flowers, the lotus? Orchestra tree. Yes, sorry, the lotus. Sonata, the lotus. The appearance of Lily in the lotus is appeared to Juno. Rivals in the poem The Lotus are Lily and Rose. Between the lily and the rose. The custard tree is a very majestic tree in Tourdat's poems of same name. It is planted in the house garden of Tourdat. What are the insects, birds and animals presented in Tourdat's poem Orchestra tree? Bee, kokila, cow, monkey. Tourdat's glorious vision of her motherland is expressed in her ancient legend and ballad of Hindustan, which was published posthumously in 1880 by her father Govind Chandra Dutt. Tourdat translated 157 poems of 75 French poets. She collected all these poems in collection entitled Disciplined in French Field. What was the cause of Tourdat's brothers and sisters' death? Tuberculosis. H.A.L. Hall Fisher wrote about this person. This child of Green Valley of Ganges has been sheer force of native genius and for herself the right to be honored in the great philosophy of English poet Tourdat's ancient balance and ballad of ancient legends and ballad of Hindustan deals with the glorious vision of her motherland. What is the name of the title of Tagore's lecture delivered him in USA? क्या नाम था उसका? जो है उसका साथ में What is the name Tagore's poem in which he prays God to awake his countrymen into such a state of freedom where the mind will be free from the fear? ये कौन सी है? Heaven of Freedom. Who among the following poets was influenced by Kabir and rendered some of his verses into English? Rabindranath Tagore. Which of the following work of Tagore is portrayal of conflict between love and politics, home and world? Love and politics. Which of the following works of Rabindranath Tagore were written originally in English language? Child. Which character in the Home and the World speak the following line? I am willing to serve my country, but my worship I reserve for right which is far greater than country. Nikhil. Tagore's Home and the World was denounced as anti-tradition of his depiction of characters of Bimla. Tagore's Gitanjali reveals not a radical view of society. Which novel of Rabindranath Tagore makes a psychological study of its three main characters, Nikhil, Bimla and Sanjeev Home and the world? Which Bhakti poets' poems were translated into English by Rabindranath Tagore? Kabir Das. Tagore's Gitanjali is a manual of devotion. The songs in it are primarily rooted in the ancient tradition of Indian saint poetry. This critical appreciation by Anke Naik is written about Tagore's Gitanjali. In which of the following works Rabindranath Tagore wrote an eloquent protest against the onslaught of machinery on the ancient ramparts of man's individual freedom? Muktadhara. The girl Prakriti is a low caste untouchable who is influenced by the humanity of Ananda, the Buddhist monk. Prakriti is a famous character in Tagore's play Chandalika. Which of the following works of Rabindranath Tagore is considered to Indian fiction? What Tolstoy's War and Peace is to the Russian literature? Gora. Revenge is stronger than the thin wine of love. Revenge is freedom, freedom from the coils of closing sickness. In which play of Rabindranath Tagore the above lines appear the king and the queen? Which one among the following volumes of Sarojini Naidu published posthumously in 1961? The Feather of Down. What is the location and river represented in Sarojini Naidu's poem Song of Radha, the Milkmaid? Mathura, on the banks of Ganga's river. Who wrote The Gift of India? Sarojini Naidu. Which one of the following poems is addressed to Mahatma Gandhi? The Lotus by Sarojini Naidu. In which poem of Sarojini Naidu following lines appear? Life is prism of my light and death the shadow of my face. The Soul's Prayer. The Temple is a slender collection of Sarojini Naidu's 24 love poems which record 3 stages of love. It has been 3 subtitles. Which one of the following not subtitle of the following? Not a subtitle of this collection. The Gate of Delight, The Path of Tears, The Sanctuary Bia, Invocation. Two renowned English critics were Sarojini Naidu's political mentors. Who were they? Edmund Gosse, Arthur Symons. Some of her lyrical work is likely think to survive among the lasting things in English literature. These lines are shared for Sarojini Naidu by C. Aurobindo. The book The Religion of Man, written by Rabindranath Tagore. I have spent many days stringing and unstringing my instrument while the song I came to sing remains unsung. Rabindranath Tagore. Coromandel Fishers and Planquin Bearers are poems by Sarojini Naidu. Baka is the protagonist of the novel Untouchable. The character Hakim Bhagwan Das occurs in Untouchable. Which character doesn't appear in the Untouchable? Maya नहीं है, बाका है, लाखा है और सोहिनी भी है. Janaki is a character in Mulk Raj Anand's novel The Big Heart. What is the name of Baka's sister in Untouchable? Sohini. Who presents a hockey bat to Baka in Anand's Untouchable? इसमें कौन करता है? हवलदार चरत सिंह करता है. Who among the following wrote the foreword to Mulk Raj Anand's novel Untouchable? Untouchable कौन करता है? E. M. Foster. Gangu is a central character, appears in Mulk Raj Anand Two Leaves and Bird. In which novel does the hero sing the refrain, "This is the machine age sons, this is the machine ago, we are the men who will master it"? ये है द बिग हार्ट का. The sensitive and ambitious novel tells the story of Ananta, Streetwise Coppersmith. Which novel in this The Big Heart? The Big Heart. In R.K. Narayan's Swami and Friends, which game offers Swami the best kind of emotional release from the strains and pressures, disagreeable circumstance, cricket. In which novel of R.K. Narayan, the central character Chandran, Bachelor of Arts, criticizes the system education, claiming that it churns not clerks for business and administrative offices and reduces India to a nation mourns Bachelor of Arts. In which novel of R.K. Narayan, Savitri's heroine, The Dark Room, Marg was a popular general devoted to the arts who was the editor Mulkraj Anand. Lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind, like python. और सॉन्ग ये किसका है? ऑर्केस्ट्रा ठीक होना चाहिए. Wind of our song. She skims like a bird of the form of steam. She skims like a bird of the form of steam. She floats like a life from the lips of dream or from Valentine periods के है ये सब. Which two are the dance dreams written by Tagore? कौन से है? चित्रांगदा and Chandalika are dance dramas. Rabindranath Tagore. Which dance drama of Rabindranath Tagore is a fresh interpretation of Mahabharata legend with redefinition of male-female relationship? Chitrangada. Which one of the following is not play written by Rabindranath Tagore? Rakt Karabi Rabindranath Tagore, Muktada Rabindranath Tagore, Goran Rabindranath Tagore. गोरा रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर का प्ले नहीं है, चित्रांगदा प्ले है. गोरा इज नॉवल रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. Which novel of Munkraj Anand set in Amritsar centers on conflict between the hereditary Coppersmith and capitalist The Big Heart by Munkraj Anand. Which of the following poems ends with the line, "One might soon drunken with beauty then, or gaze and gaze on a primeval Eden in a maze, a sea of foliage"? Which is the only novel by Munkraj Anand set against the backdrop of World War I, Across the Black Waters? Who was the winner of first Sahitya Akademi Award for novel? R.K. Narayan. Raju is a character of R.K. Narayan's guide after each from the prison, depending on the art of simulation and dissimulation, found in its golden opportunity to be something, and if still delaying, he willy-nilly took upon himself to be a holy man. Name the central character R.K. Narayan's novel who makes a trip to Madras to recover his lost son, Mar Gaya. Which British novelist was instrumental in getting a publisher for R.K. Narayan's first 4 books? Graham Greene. The main characters of the novel The Man-Eater of Malgudi, who is a taxidermist, is Vasu. The Man-Eater of Malgudi, Vasu. Which novel of R.K. Narayan narrates the lives of Raman, a painter of signboards, and Deji, a social worker interested in curtailing India's population growth? The Painter of Science. The character of Raju Roji Margo Guide में है. Velen occurred in which of Narayan's novel The Guide? Who among the following novelists pioneered the regional novel in the Indian English novel? R.K. Narayan. The Bhasmasur myth is used by in R.K. Narayan's The Man-Eater of Malgudi. In which novel does R.K. Narayan focus on family planning? The Painter of Science. In this novel, son of Gandhi and Flower travels to America and unexpectedly returns with a Korean American girlfriend and an outlandish business scheme to manufacture creature, writing out a machine. The Vendor of Sweets. The main protagonist, Srinivas, resolves to live only for himself after being pushed around for much of the novel by confused ambitions of an eccentric filmmaker, an over-ambitious printer, and a deranged artist, starting with the novel Sampath, a printer from Malgudi. Which novel of R.K. Narayan ends with the message that all demons, devils, and monsters bring downfall on themselves. The main editor of Malgudi. The story revolves around a rich aristocrat belonging to wealthy Kabir Lane. In his free time, he works for free, doing the accounts for his friend's Kumar Sari shop, and he plans to write a book about the sage Narada. Identify the novel The World of Nagaraj by R.K. Narayan. The main character in R.K. Narayan's short story A Horse and Two Goats is Munni. The Emerald Route by R.K. Narayan is a travelogue. The Emerald Route is a travelogue by R.K. Narayan. Which work of R.K. Narayan did contain his US tour memoirs, My Dateless Diary, An Astrologer's Day, 1964 is a short story collection by R.K. Narayan, who is the speaker of the following statement: a dose of prison life is not a bad thing. It may be just what he needs now. Jagan in the Vendor of Sweets. Identify the character chronology. The Dark Room. English teacher, Mr. Sampath, financial teacher. A popular TV serial was made on R.K. Narayan's work. Which work was it? Malgudi Dev. R.K. Narayan's famous novel The Bride was pictured into a famous film by the same name, starring Dev Anand and Waida Rahman as lead actors. Who directed the film? Vijayanand. The novel Private Life of an Indian Prince was written by Mulk Raj Anand. Which of the following written by Mulk Raj Anand? Mulk Raj Anand का है Conversation in Bloomsbury. Which one of the following is the central character of Mulk Raj Anand? Is the hero of more than one novel, Lal Singh trilogy. Which Indian novelist and short story writer is often known as the mouthpiece of the underdog? Mulk Raj Anand. Which of the following is not a novel by Mulk Raj Anand? Seven Son, Mulk Raj Anand, The Dark Room, R.K. Narayan, Two Leaves in Bird, Mulk Raj Anand. Seven Ages of Man is an autobiography of Mulk Raj Anand. What is the name of Mulk Raj Anand's fictional autobiography after its completion? The Seven Ages of autobiography after its completion. Mulk Raj Anand, about one of his female characters, Sage Gauri, is my tribute to Indian womanhood. In which novel does Gauri appear? The Old Man and the Cow. Only The Old Man and the Cow of Mulk Raj Anand shows the transformation of a cow into a tigress. Which novel of Mulk Raj Anand is based on the life of a Kashmiri freedom fighter, Makbul Sherwant, The Death of a Hero? Who edited the General Marg, an art quarterly that the founded in 1946? Marg General Mulk Raj Anand. In which of the following works of Ruskin Bond Mariam Lebandour is found as a character? ये होता है Flight of Pigeons. Ruskin Bond. The 1979 film Junoon is based on Ruskin Bond's A Flight of Pigeons. The failed marriage of Sami and Gopal formed which of the following novels by S.S. Deshpande, Matter of Time? Who is the protagonist of Shashi Deshpande's That Long Silence? Jaya. Bim होती है क्लियर लाइट ऑफ द डे, जया दैट लॉन्ग साइलेंस, उम्मी बाइडिंग वाइन, इंदू होती है रूट्स एंड शेडोज। बिम होती है क्लियर लाइट ऑफ द डे, जया दैट लॉन्ग साइलेंस, उम्मी बाइंडिंग वाइन, इंदू होती है रूट एंड शेडोज। अरेंज द फॉलोइंग पोएट्स इन अकॉर्डेंस विथ देयर ईयर्स ऑफ बर्थ। रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर गौर। सबसे पहले कौन है? टोरूदत्त। सबसे पहले टोरूदत्त के बाद में रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर 1861, 1856, 1861, 1924, सरोजिनी नायडू ये पहली जन्मी थी 1879 में। तो सबसे पहले टोरूदत्त 2, उसके बाद में रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर 1856, 1861 और उसके बाद में 1879 और फिर लास्ट में मैजिकल 1924। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर लीडिंग कैरेक्टर इन नॉवल रिटन बाय मुल्कराज आनंद? मुन्नू, बाका, गंगू, 1, 2, 4।